Reduce saturated and trans fats. Increase soluble fiber. By reducing saturated and trans fats and increasing soluble fiber, you can help lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. Cholesterol is a waxy substance that your body needs to build healthy cells, hormones, and other essential molecules. However, high cholesterol levels can increase your risk of heart disease. There are two main types of cholesterol: high-density lipoprotein, HDL, or good cholesterol, and low-density lipoprotein, LDL, or bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL can build up in your arteries, forming plaque that can narrow or block blood flow. Following these lifestyle changes can help you maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Reduce saturated fat. Saturated fat is found in animal products such as meat, poultry, and full-fat dairy products. It can raise your LDL cholesterol levels. Increase soluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut. This can help lower your LDL cholesterol levels. Good sources of soluble fiber include beans, oats, apples, citrus fruits, and vegetables. Eat more omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in oily fish, such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel. They can help lower your triglyceride levels, which are a type of fat that can increase your risk of heart disease. Lose weight. If you are overweight or obese, losing even a small amount of weight can help improve your cholesterol levels. Get regular exercise. Exercise can help raise your HDL cholesterol levels and lower your LDL cholesterol levels. Here are some additional tips for improving your cholesterol levels. Choose lean protein options, such as skinless chicken or fish. Limit your intake of processed foods, which often contain unhealthy fats. Use healthy cooking methods, such as grilling, baking, or steaming. Read food labels carefully and choose foods that are low in saturated and trans fats. By following these tips, you can help improve your cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease and other health problems. Talk to your doctor about how to make these lifestyle changes safely and effectively.